Have you ever stepped out into a freezing winter time and felt like wearing a walking wardrobe instead of warm clothes? That bulky, uncomfortable layering that makes you look and feel twice your size. So, it's not just you. For so many Indians settled in abroad, especially those who are from southern and western part of India, the first winter in Europe and North America feels like stepping into another world. So today we are transforming that struggle into style and comfort with simple winter layering hacks that actually work without losing your fashion sense and comfort. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Style Equation. In my last intro video, I promised to you start with balancing hack number 1, and here we go. If you are someone who has just moved or planning to move to abroad from my country India and battling with your first real winter, this video is crafted just for you. From bulky looks to balanced layering, we are covering everything you need to stay warm, looks good and feel confident while stepping out for everyday work. Also share a bonus tip at the end of this video. So, let's get into it. Okay, now imagine this. During winter time, you are in your cozy Indian home memories where winter meant maybe a shawl or light jackets, and suddenly you are in Europe where the winter breath literally turns into frost. For Indians, especially those who are from southern and western part of India, winter was not something we prepared for growing up. So, when that first cold season hits abroad, the instinct is to add more and more clothes such as thicker thermals, bigger jackets, oversized sweaters, and in the end, all piled up without any balanced thought. We are just hoping it will keep us warm. But is this the reality? What actually happens in the end? We walk out looking bulky, mismatched, and feel uncomfortable throughout the day. Our movement feels stiff, layers feel awkward, and all of a sudden our confidence level drops. Because instead of feeling stylish and warm in winter, we are just struggling to balance ourselves every day. Let's talk about what I call as unbalanced layering, and then we talk about the solutions with simple hacks which can minimize your bulky look and create a balanced one. And trust me, many of us have already been experienced about it. First, wearing puffy jackets that shallow your shape. Next, pairing unfitted thermals underneath loose top and bottom wear. Next, wrapping scarf around your neck randomly without caring how it stays or match with your outfit. Next, mismatched color of socks with scarf. Next, colorful and incorrectly designed gloves. Next, choosing sports shoes, sneakers or sandal thinking comfort first but end up freezing and uncomfortable. At that moment, we just think more clothes equal more warmth. But the truth is, wrong clothes in a wrong way create bulk discomfort look and we still feel cold feet and hands. But you know what? There is a smarter way to fix it all. So let's talk about the solutions one by one by which we can fix all the above problem using simple hacks. So let's get into it. Hack number 1. Start with right base for the outfit, which is thermals. The very first layer is your foundation. This matters the most how your actual look will be. Instead of those big saggy thermals, choose fitted thermal wear which actually create a balanced and comfort look. And the reason is fitted thermals trap it more efficiently, allow other layers to sit smoothly on the top without adding extra bulky cloths. Avoid lumps and bumps under your jacket. Think of your thermals as a base canvas which must be smooth, warm and invisible under your clothes. Let's talk about hack number 2. How to layer smartly from fitted cloths to bulkier one. So now that you have a fitted base, and with the next step, here is the trick and listen it very carefully. Looser, bulkier items should go on top of tighter and streamlined layer. So this step is very important, which we must know before start of adding any additional and unnecessary cloths. This creates a balanced look instead of that puffy balloon look, which I'm sure many of us have already experienced so many times. So remember the hack: instead of wearing loose thermals, loose sweater, puffy coat, just start doing in this way: fitted thermals, slim top or fitted shirt, cozy sweater, and then structured jacket. This not only looks better but keeps you warm throughout the day. So start trying in this way, you will feel the results. Next comes to hack number 3: scarves, gloves, and socks. How to do color coordination for these items. So, you know one secret? Accessories are your best winter friends. But if you want wrong accessories, they can literally kill your whole look. So, here is a short hack: what to do. Choose always scarves and socks that match in color tone, so that it will create contrast and enhance your whole look instead of creating a random one. If possible, make sure your gloves should be touchscreen compatible one, so that each time you don't need to handle your phone screen without gloves. It will give you that hand comfortness during harsh winter time. And here is a hack which no one shares. Dark color generally work best because they are versatile and hide dirt in case of snowfall or rain. Next is hack number 4: secret for how to wear jackets and outerwear. So just remember one thing always: your jacket is your statement piece, not just any random jackets. Aim for always a structured jacket or coat instead of normal jacket that we know or use in India during winter time. Because for these kind of winter time, there is a special jackets available in the market which are designed accordingly. The jacket color must complement to your main outfit, not too bulky but layered over the right items. Even it is fine if we put 2 structured jackets, one is shorter or next one is longer one, but focus on choosing right fabric and design of jackets so that it should not look bulky on you. For example, if your outfit underneath is a warm tone, say maroon or mustard in color, choose a jacket that contrasts and enhance it, like charcoal black or cream, etc. These contrasts create dimensions and it avoids that flat and shapeless winter look. Next comes to hack number 5. What are the best outfit design to choose under your jacket? In the second layer, always wear slim knit top, turtleneck top or fitted sweaters instead of any loose topwear. Pair them with high waist jeans, slim trouser or sometimes maybe warm leggings. And once the outfit is finalized, add stylish boot or winter shoes to create the entire look. Then here comes to another secret. Remember always, your inner layer should support warmth and shape, not fight against your outer wear. If your inner layer is too loose, it creates and fold under your jacket and that makes your whole look feel heavy and chaotic. Always try to layer from fitted to loose outfit for a balanced look. Let's talk about hack number 6: how to pair your handbag with your layering. This is an important styling hack most people overlook, but believe me, it makes a huge difference. When your last layer, which must be your long jacket, contrasts sharply with your inner outfit, the inner outfit can get visually lost under the bigger piece. So to balance this, here is the hack. Always match your handbag with your main color outfit. In this way, the handbag creates highlight for your entire look as the main color of your outfit. Your look feel intentional, your colors stay visible and connected. Also, in this way, it avoids that floating color effect where the jacket and accessories look disconnected. It's a small thing, but trust me, it will change your whole winter look and makes you feel polished and cohesive. Thanks for watching until now, and as mentioned in the beginning of the video, let's talk about the bonus hack: how to choose footwear with winter layering cloths. Let's talk about footwear, because this is where many of people failed to pair the correct one. Before start of footwear idea, remember one thing: avoid everyday sports shoes and sneakers in extreme cold or snow. They are not even insulated, and your feet will feel extreme cold and probably you unable to balance yourself while walking in the street. Instead of, choose boots that are water resistant. Most importantly, have insulation or woolen lining. If possible, try to choose neutral colors, most likely black or brown. Remember the hack of choosing boot. It's not only protect you from the cold or snow, but they also elevate your whole look. It will go with any outfit from jeans to fitted winter dresses, looks intentional and well styled. Now, as we are wrapping up this video, so let's remind you the summary of the points that we discussed so that we can apply to our day-to-day style. So, if you are someone who has started your reflection in bulky winter jacket, feeling cold and unsure about your look, remember this: warm doesn't feel discomfort. Layers doesn't mean bulkiness, or style doesn't have to be sacrifice your warmth. Instead, in style, comfort should be at your first level. Whatever we are wearing, we must feel confident and comfortable. With fitted base layer, smart color coordination, balanced accessories, and the right outerwear plus footwear, you can stay warm, comfortable, and confident no matter how cold outside it is. So, if these tips help you or you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more style plus lifestyle hacks, and share this with someone who battling their first winter in abroad. Now just comment below with your biggest winter struggle. I read every comment, and if I can, I'll help you out there. Stay warm, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video with hack number 2.